Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we are sharing the news for 10th February, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and personal interview to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. To get more information about the interview process, follow our Telegram channel where you can get access to WAT and personal interview content from 99.9 plus percentilers. The link to the Telegram group is in the description. Today's 5 news headlines are: RBI mandates lenders to furnish key fact statement. What is KFS and how will it bring transparency? Can Paytm sustain its business model? Sony reaches blockbuster deal for Michael Jackson's catalog. Post COP28, are financial strategies aligned with climate goals? Bharat Ratna recipient count goes up to 53. First news for the day is RBI mandates lenders to furnish key fact statement. What is KFS and how will it bring transparency? The Reserve Bank of India has mandated all regulated entities to provide a key fact statement to retail and micro, small and medium enterprise borrowers. This is done to ensure greater transparency and promote financial literacy. A key fact statement or KFS is a document that thoroughly lists lending terms. It has key information regarding a loan agreement, including the all-in cost of the loan in a simple and easy to comprehend format. The KFS was already mandated for all commercial loans to individuals. This decision will also empower retail and MSME borrowers with more information to make correct decisions regarding their loans. The KFS will ensure they get a consolidated view of the actual interest rate that they will be paying after adding all the costs involved. The next news for the day is: can Paytm sustain its business model? The Reserve Bank of India placed restrictions on Paytm Payments Bank, stating persistent non-compliances and continued material supervisory concerns in the bank. Primarily, the RBI directed PPB to stop accepting deposits, credit transactions or top-ups in customer accounts, prepaid instruments, wallets, FASTags and NCMC cards after February 29, other than interest, cashback or refunds. The restrictions include operational and revenue impact on the wallet business, on the payments done using UPI transactions and on the enterprise value of Paytm. If PPB does not lose its license, then some fund managers say the business can be revived at a later date, although that will take time. If PPB loses its license, Paytm will need another sponsor bank, which will be held responsible for Paytm's actions. The next news for the day is: Sony reaches blockbuster deal for Michael Jackson's catalog. Sony has agreed to acquire half of Michael Jackson's catalog from the star's estate in what is probably the richest transaction for a single musician's work. The deal is set to value Jackson's asset at $1.2 billion or more. Each Halloween, streams of the song Thriller Spike and MJ, a musical based on Jackson's life, opened 2 years ago, has grossed $172 million in New York, according to the Broadway League. The deal is an endorsement of the continued star power of Jackson and the enduring global appeal of his music. Jackson was long associated with Sony and its Epic label, which released his mega-selling solo albums such as Thriller and Bad. The next news for the day is: post COP28, are financial strategies aligned with climate goals? India witnessed its hottest February in over a century, serving as a scorching reminder of our planet's urgent cry for help in 2023. $44 billion yearly shortfall in climate finance for India to meet ambitious emission reduction goals, demanding $170 billion annually by 2030. India, in pursuit of its sustainability goals, requires substantial climate finance, estimating the need for around $2.5 trillion for its climate change actions by 2030. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change emphasizes the need to increase financial flows by 3 to 6 times for climate change mitigation to meet the 1.5 degrees Celsius target. Collaboration in green finance is pivotal for refining investment strategies and accelerating the transition to sustainable initiatives. Bharat Ratna recipient goes up to 53. The Bharat Ratna Award is awarded to former Prime Ministers P.V. Narasimha Rao and Charan Singh and Green Revolution pioneer M.S. Swaminathan. This takes the number of recipients to 53, 5 of them within 2024. This is the maximum number of Bharat Ratna awards awarded in a single year, going past the year 1999. The award was not given to anyone between 2020 and 2023. The last Bharat Ratna award was conferred upon Pranab Mukherjee in 2019. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the country. It is awarded in recognition of exceptional service or performance of the highest order in any field of human endeavour. The recommendations for Bharat Ratna are made by the Prime Minister to the President. On conferment of the award, the recipient receives a sanad, a certificate, signed by the President and a medallion. So these are the 5 news for today. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.